Hi guys, today we will have a look at how the Dji Mini 2 and Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro handles the wind. I'm holding a Bluetooth mini anemometer. I have links to this under my description if you find it interesting. Let's have this set up, and I'll open up the app on my phone, and we'll check on the wind generated out from the fan to see the maximum wind speed that we are testing on today. This thing also comes with a thermometer which shows 32.7 degree, which is pretty hot by now. So let's turn on the fan, and we'll put it close to the fan as possible to see the wind speed. So now we are at about 4 point something meter per second. Let me just see if it matches. Okay, so the maximum speed on the fan is about 5, I think, 5 meters. So it's also shown here level 3 wind speed generated out from the fan. So I can select, I can change the type of measurement you want, the unit. So now we are looking at kilometers, which is 18, by feet, also by note. I can't select it from my phone. I have to press it on the physical button on the anemometer. So yeah, we are done with the checking of the wind speed, and let's head to the drone. So let's start with the Dji Mini 2. I'll bring it up, and after that we'll turn on the fan. As you can see, the drone is handling pretty well, even with just the optical sensor, because the GPS is turned off in indoor mode. And yeah, look at this. It's handling pretty well. So at level 3 wind speed, the drone is hovering like this up in the air. So let me move the stick a bit just to bring it over here. I'm still moving the stick, so this is not moving by itself. Okay. Let me land this, then we'll try it with the Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro. Okay, next up we have the Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro. Let me bring it up. So do notice it moved back because there's no GPS lock, and it is hovering just by the optical sensor. Okay, let me turn on the fan. It started to wobble a bit. A little bit more than the Dji Mini, of course. But it could still handle pretty well. See, it's holding its position, even though it moves a bit more if you compare it with the Dji Mini 2. Oh yeah. Okay, so let me move it to the left a bit and try to land it under the wind. Okay, still performs okay. Okay, next up we'll try to have the drone face the wind. So I'll position the drone facing the fan with the Dji Mini 2 first. Let me try to bring it to the left a bit, and I'll turn it facing the fan. Okay, so it looks pretty stable. I'll try to move it up a bit, facing the fan. So I'm not moving my stick after this. Yeah, pretty impressive, huh? So we'll try to land it. Alright, so we have the Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro again. See, it looks like it tries to go behind. But this time I have the fan turned on, so it's a bit unfair because the fan is on during this takeoff. So I have to move my stick to correct the position. Okay, so let me move it a little closer and pointing the fan by going down a bit. Okay, from here on I'll not move the stick. So by looking at this, the wobbling is much lesser as compared to if the wind is facing the side of the drone. So this shows that the Xeno Mini Pro handles better wind from the front than to the side, whereas Dji Mini seems to be a much more rounded one. So I do hope Hubsan can put some effort into this, tuning the stability when the wind comes on your side. Okay, I do hope you enjoy this video. Give it a like or sub for more future videos. Goodbye.